Hey, Eric. Eric, where does milk come from?
Cow.
Where does milk come from?
Milk. Milk.
Where does it come from?
Milk in the cow. Oh. Milk in the milk. Milk comes from cows. Milk in the milk.
Where does it come from, Eric?
No. Cows. Cows.
What's on the calendar that Mom got you?
Me too.
That calendar Mom got, what's on that calendar?
Blue cow. Look at it.
Eric, where does milk come from?
Dad, it comes from cows. Do you remember?
Eric, what's in that ice cream?
Frozen. Moogle. I love Moogle. Stop. Moogle.
What is it, Eric?
The Moogle.
What do they say?
The Moogle.
What do they say?
The Moogle.
What do you got?
Oh, Dad.
Oh, done.
What do you tell Mom?
Thank you.
All the way up.
Tell her, Eric. Tell Mama.